Number 1, how to keep your screen on longer. Swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on the settings wheel. From here, you're going to go up to display and then swipe all the way up until you get to screen timeout. Now by default, it's going to be set to 7 seconds. I like to set mine to at least 15 seconds. That way the screen is on much longer and you don't have to worry about having to touch the screen to keep it on. Now, obviously adjust this based on how you use yours, but I think 15 seconds is a good sweet spot. Number 2, how to enable the always on clock so you'll always see the time even if you're not using the watch. You'll swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on this icon here. This is the always on switch. And when this is blue and enabled, when your screen goes dim, you'll still be able to see the time. Okay, so the screen is about to go dim and you'll see that the brightness is going to go down, but you'll still be able to see the time. So right now you can see that the screen is off, but you can still see the time. Now, because of the angle, it's not super easy to see it, but the cool thing is every watch face that you download is going to have its own version of the always on clock, and it'll show a little differently. One thing to keep in mind is that when you use this feature, it will drain your battery a bit faster, so you may not want to keep it on all the time. Number 3, when you head into a movie theater, make sure you enable your theater mode, which is right here. What this will do is it will dim down your screen, it will mute your notifications, and it will turn off the always on clock, and it will also turn off the raise wrist to wake feature so that your screen won't constantly be turning on and causing extra light when you're in the movies. You can set this to automatically turn off after a certain duration, so 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, depending how long the movie is, or you can manually come in and just simply turn it off just like that. Number 4, whenever you wear your watch and you're going to be in water or around water, you want to enable the water lock feature, and this will stop your screen from basically going crazy because of it being touched by water. So swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on this button here, which is the water lock button. You'll see this little blue icon on the side. This is ideal for when you get in the shower or when you go for a swim. Again, it's going to disable the touch screen altogether so that the water touching the screen won't affect the display. Now, one little tip for you parents, this is a great feature to enable when you're around your kids. Kids see a display and they just want to touch it. If you turn this on, now they'll touch the screen, it won't work, and then they'll leave it alone. When it's time to turn it off, you simply just need to hold down on the button for about 2 seconds, and that will turn off the water lock feature. Number 5, you can program double tapping the power button to launch the app or command of your choice by swiping down from the top of the screen, tapping on the settings wheel. From here, we're going to swipe up to advanced features, swipe up, and then go to double press home button right here. And then you can basically select what app you want to launch or what command when you use the double tap. Now, I tend to program mine to launch the timer because I love to use this specifically for laundry. So, I've just turned on the washing machine. I'm going to double tap the power button. It's going to take me right to my timer, and then I can easily select 1 hour, and my watch will ping me when it's time to switch the laundry over. So that's how I like to use it, but you can pick any command you want to launch when you use that double tap feature. Number 6, use your Fit 3 as a flashlight. Find yourself in a dark room, you need some extra light. Swipe down from the top of the screen, swipe to your left, and tap on the flashlight button. You can then use your screen as a flashlight, and you can control the brightness like this. You can also swipe left to change the color, maybe if you want it to flash red because you're in an emergency. Pretty cool feature, and again, very useful. You find yourself in a dark room, you need more light, you've got it on your Fit 3. Number 7, can't find your phone? Use your Fit 3 to ping your phone by simply swiping down from the top of the screen, swiping to the left, and tapping on the search button here. This will cause your phone to ring loudly, and just that easy, you can locate it, and you're good to go. Now guess what? My phone right now was on Do Not Disturb and it still pinged the phone. So that's why this is so great, because even if it's on silent or vibrate or Do Not Disturb, it will still ping the phone. Number 8, control your music or your video right from your Fit 3. Whenever you see this little icon at the bottom, this means that you have media playing on your phone. You can tap on that little music icon and then you can control whatever media you're listening to. So I can, for example, pause this YouTube video. I can use the track forward to advance to the next track, or use the track back to start it over. So you have some basic controls there for your video and for your music. All right, and for our last tip, I'm going to show you how to change the clock face specifically to the picture of your choice. Maybe you have a favorite pet or a family member that you want to have as the background of your clock face. I want to show you how to do that. So first, you'll want to go to your phone, find your Galaxy wearable app. From there, you're going to go to Watch Faces. And you'll need to go all the way down to Photos. You'll see that there are headings for all the different sections. Go down to Photos, and it's pretty far down the list. And you'll see a picture of a little dog. You'll tap on the dog under Photos. This is a custom option here that allows you to then be able to customize the picture. So it's added up under our favorites. We're gonna tap Customize and then tap on Gallery. And now I can go into my photo gallery and I can select a photo to be the background. I'm gonna go to Photos, just tap on this first option here, hit Done. And now I can crop the picture or make any specific changes. I can move it around. I'm gonna just keep it the way it is, but you can customize it here. And at the bottom of the phone, you'll tap on Done and give it a few seconds to update. And then you'll now see that that picture is your new background. And you'll want to then save it. Again, at the bottom of the screen, you'll just tap Save. And now you'll have this as an option that will then load on your watch. And there it is. And now that picture is the background, and that's how the time will show. So pretty cool thing if you want to really customize your watch and just have it showcase something specific. That's how you do it. This does bring us to the end of the video. I hope you guys did find it helpful. If it was, first of all, can you bump that like button down below? If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And can you head over to the comment section and tell me what tip I shared was your favorite? I always love to hear your feedback in the comment section down below. I'm also going to drop a playlist right here of more helpful Fit 3 videos. So check out that playlist and you'll find another helpful video right here. Thanks again, as always, for watching. Take care and have a good one.